Hi, my name is Mbungu Dadi Lupedi. I'm a Canadian student at Fortis College. I'm here now to deliver my speech in connection with my communication class for the academic year 2020-2021. Good morning to everyone over here. I extend warm welcome to my respected communication class instructor and all my dear colleague students. Today I'm going to talk about global warming, a continuously increasing environmental challenge that the world is facing. Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the earth due to some of our daily activities. The effect of global warming must be reversed in order to end atmospheric pollution, rising sea levels, and the failing of ecosystems. Atmospheric pollution is one of the main contributors of global warming. The pollution layer prevents the reflection of sun rays by Earth's surface towards space, thus raising the temperature of the planet among a lot more impacts. One of these impacts is the greater risk development of disease outbreaks. Young Bai and al. In 2018 said, in conclusion, our study indicates a positive association between ambient air pollution and increased blood pressure and hypertension. Rising sea levels relate to the expansion of the world's ocean due to the effect of global warming. When the burning fossil fuels and causing the heat on the Earth planet, it releases carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. The ocean then absorbs the majority of this heat. As water becomes warmer, it expands. Reuters in September 2017 said, it's evident that scientists and modelers who seek global warming signals should track how much heat the ocean has stored at any given time, meaning ocean heat content as well as sea level rise. The failing of ecosystems is currently leading in the extinction of some important animal species and plants. For example, many species of lizards currently living at the edge of their thermal tolerance have either migrated to colder regions or have become extinct. Pincheira Donoso D. in 2011 said, finally, it has been shown that lizard extinction may occur in structurally intact habitats when climate warming imposes alterations to thermoregulatory behavior. Lizards prevent body overheating mostly by intermittent retreats into cooler shelters during hot days. If global warming continues to damage the air, expand ocean volume and devastating ecosystem, the outcome will be more dangerous for the Earth planet. Scientists have proven that global warming is real and still underway. Let us join hands together to tackle this issue for the safety of the world. Thanks.